Good morning everyone. Come, this is our project Purti Planet near Behala Chaurasta, just 1.68 km from Behala Chaurasta. So this is our 3 BHK apartment with terrace, 1238 square feet sellable area. You can see this is the beautiful living cum dining area, very big size living cum dining. So come this side. This is the attached balcony with living cum dining, water outlet, and you can see the beautiful garden from your balcony, along with a small temple, water filtration plant. So see the beauty of the balcony with green view. And now come this side. This is the lobby area, and just on my right side, this is the kitchen space. Beautiful L pattern kitchen with separate refrigerator space, with black granite countertop, with all electrical switches. Now come again. On my right again, this is the common toilet area. Beautiful common toilet. So now just opposite to that, this is the first bedroom. So very nice size, 12 feet long into 11 feet, with modular switches, along with a very big size French window with excellent view, wardrobe space. Now come outside. This is the second bedroom on my left side. So beautiful wardrobe space, bedroom, and a very big size window. So beautiful bedroom with green water body view. And now this is the master bedroom with attached toilet. So this is the attached toilet space, along with separate space for wash, wall mount commode and basin. And this is a separate wardrobe space. So you can see this side, this is the attached terrace area. So you can see beautiful attached terrace along with this bedroom. So you can see this is the terrace area, and along with this terrace you can see the beautiful green water body view. And these are the complex buildings, and in this side you can see this is the garden view. So beautiful space, 1238 square feet only sellable area, with a open terrace along with 3 bedrooms. So thank you everyone, thanks for watching this video. So if you are interested, then please call us as early as possible, because we are having single units available of this size. This is on the first floor. So currently we do not have any GST, so it's a great offer for you. And also we are offering some discounts for very limited period. So thanks everybody, thanks for watching, have a great day.